Is legacy trade finance tech creating more problems for your IT team than solutions? Trade finance runs on trust and paperwork. But for one global bank, managing that paperwork had become a roadblock. Manual processes meant slow approvals, frequent errors, and regulatory risks. Letters of credit, invoices, and compliance checks, everything took too long and cost too much. What if the paperwork did itself? What if your systems talk to each other in real time, without errors or delays? XLNC Technologies stepped in with a powerful EDI-based solution to fully digitize trade finance. First, we automated the creation of trade documents, no more repetitive data entry. Letters of credit and invoices now generate automatically, with built-in accuracy. Then, we enabled seamless data exchange, connecting the bank with its partners, globally and instantly. We added smart validation at every step, flagging issues before they reach compliance. And finally, we integrated the entire solution with their core finance system, accelerating approvals and unlocking liquidity. The results? A leap forward in speed, accuracy, and control. 50% faster processing. 70% fewer errors. 40% shorter trade finance cycles. Still stuck in paperwork? Let's explore how automation can transform your trade finance operations.